Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter from Absolute Wealth. Let's take a look at the markets as we head into this week. So this is the TLT, just represents the bond market here, and this is really the entire key to the stock market. If the bond market breaks through this and starts moving higher, then the stock market is going to roll over and die. Okay, the bond market is completely and utterly driving the stock market. Now, if we look at this right here, what you're going to see is we've got two major trends in place. Okay, we've got this uptrend off the November 16th lows, fighting with this downtrend from here, and we're getting kind of this really big consolidation, kind of the squeeze here. Well, what happens with this is going to build up energy and it's going to explode one way or the other. What's nice is about looking at TLT is TLT is going to tell us which way this is going to explode. If TLT explodes higher, because it'll move first, then stocks are going to roll over and die. Otherwise, we could get one more breakout out of stocks. For one, we've got the fiscal cliff coming up, we've got employment numbers coming up. I'm looking for this market to kind of roll over and die. I'm definitely looking that this market can take out these lows by the first week of February 2013. The question is, though, can we get one last little gasp up before we do that, or is this the top? Okay, and my answer to that is I don't know yet if this is the top. We've got to see if this trend line is going to break. If we can get a weekly close below this trend line, then I would say that this is the high for now, and that we actually see a sell-off into the end of January. If we take a look at a couple of other markets here, you can see gold. Gold here, this is a big red flag for the markets as well. The gold market has been correlated with stocks, and the fact that gold is down today is telling me that we're going to see some selling come into the stock market. Okay, gold and the stock market have been very highly correlated. Taking a look at the euro as represented by the ETF FXE, this is kind of the last bastion of help for the bulls in the stock market. If for some reason the euro can break through this high and keep going higher, that actually would bring money into U.S. equities. Why is that? Because it would drive down the price of the U.S. dollar, and as equities got cheaper because relative to the U.S. dollar, it actually bring money in. So it's one of those strange things. But if the euro actually rolled over and died here, that excuse would be gone and stocks would suddenly rally. For stocks that I continue to like Rackspace here. It's had some selling. This is a 52-week high here. I would buy any move back to that 21 EMA, which is the $65.23 level. Now you may be saying, why are you looking at buying stocks if you think stock market's going to go down? It's because that there are some stocks out there that are doing fine no matter what the market does, and Rackspace is one of them. On the downside, one of the stocks I like quite a bit here is Goldman Sachs. This is now rolling back over and is setting up to retest this low and potentially take it out. Okay, hope that helps. You guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you at the next update.